I am hungry. Hey guys, what's going on? Happy July. I really cannot believe that we're already in July. I have so many exciting things coming up in July for you guys. If you didn't and you don't tune into my Instagram stories, you should, because I update you on everything that's going on in my life, how many all-nighters I'm pulling in a week, and just all the fun stuff that I am up to. I let you guys know a little bit, maybe like a week ago, that July is gonna be super freaking exciting because I'm going to have 5 brand new videos every single week right here on this YouTube channel. Yes, I said it, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will promise you at the very least there's going to be 5 videos every single day except for Thursdays and Saturdays. I'm still working on a couple of things, so it may end up being 6. Some days it could be 7, but I am just promising you 5. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, you guys are gonna have a brand spanking new video. So I'm super excited, and I just needed to tell you guys that while I'm in, you know, a classic glitter queen look. So I don't wanna blab too much, I just wanted to share the exciting news with you guys. If you wanna learn how I got this look for the 4th of July, I had to do a creative look for the 4th of July, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, happy 4th. We are going to jump right in. We're using the Peace Out eye patches underneath our eyes, and then we're going to move on to brows. I'm using the Anastasia brow pencil. It's the brow definer in medium brown. I'm just going to use that to fill out my brows. We're going to jump back to those later as we always do, so stay tuned for that. Once I filled in my brows, I'm just going to shape them out with some of my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm also going to use my Tarte Shape Tape to kind of set my whole eye, but I did go into one new product that I haven't used in a bit, and this is the Lid Lingerie from NYX, and it is a white eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to blend that with a tiny beauty blender all over my entire eye. And then first things first, I want that cute little star in the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm going to take a little sticker and I'm just going to stick that onto the inner corners. And then we're jumping into the Morphe Brushes James Charles palette, and that white base is really going to help make all of these shadows pop. I did have some difficulty with this eye look, so bear with me because it kind of jumps all over the place and some of the steps seem like they're just repetitive, but they're not, I promise. I'm going to blend a dark blue on the outer corner only and then a red on the inner corner. And I went back and forth with a clean blending brush just to continuously blend out those shades because I really wasn't playing around with any transition colors. It was just that main shade, just that one color. So just blending it with a clean blending brush really helped me blend it out. And then I used a white for the center of the lid and then this more cream shade to try to help blend out the colors a little bit more so that they kind of looked a little bit more flawless and straight across. I used the white shadow on the inner corners and I was like packing it on, and then I went over to my Lit Cosmetics glitter and my NYX glitter glue. I did put glitter on the inner corners, but I also did on the center of the lid, and I didn't like how it came out, so I took it off, and I just kind of like skipped that step here, but I definitely did put glitter on the inner corners. For eyeliner, I'm using the It Cosmetics Superhero liquid liner to line the top lash line, and then I used 4 eyeliner pencils from the Artist Color Pencil Collection from Makeup Forever, and I'm using a black, a white, a red, and a blue, and I'm using the black to tightline the top waterline, and then I'm using the red, white, and blue eyeliner in the waterline on the bottom just to match the shadow. For the lashes, I'm using the Wander Beauty mascara, and then for falsies, I'm just popping these babies on. These are the Gianna lashes from Gigi Belle Lashes. For primers, I used a Touch and Soul primer, and then the Tatcha the Silk Canvas primer, and then a very old foundation, which I promise you I threw out after this video. It's the True Match Lumi foundation from L'Oreal, one of my favorites, but this one is definitely a little old. And then I mix it with some Cover FX highlighting drops, and then we of course applied our concealer and just went to town and blended that all out. For powder, I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in medium to set everything. And then for bronzer, blush, and highlighter, I used this super cute palette from Pixie. You'll see it in just a second. I just went ahead and applied all of these shadows and mascara to the bottom lashes. But this is the Pixie palette, and it is the Miriam Maquillage palette collaboration, I believe, and I just used that for blush, bronzer, highlight, and then before highlight I just sprayed my Doll 10 setting spray so that the highlighter would pop a little bit more, and I didn't want any crazy highlighter. And we're back to the brows. Use the Gimme Brow in number 5 just to set my brows, and then we're adding just a little bit more glitter, and then we're going to take the stickers off, and it's going to leave this super cool star on our inner corners. Then we applied some glitter, and now we're really going to get to the glitter. I'm mixing together a ton of different glitters, red, white, blue, silver, and my Tresemme gel, and it's going to give me this red, white, and blue mixture right here. And I'm just going to paint that on with a foundation brush on one side of my head, and I'm going to blend it out with my finger and just kind of flatten it a little bit. And then I'm taking whatever's left on my hands and I'm just putting it all over the entire other side of my hair. We're going to jump back to the hair right at the end, so wait for that. But now we're going to go to the lips. I'm using a Buxom lip liner in just a very pretty red. I think it's called Dolly Danger. And then I'm using my favorite liquid lipstick, my favorite red liquid lipstick from Fenty. And this is the Stunna Lip Paint. And then I have topped it off with a Buxom gloss, and I felt like the blush really wasn't doing anything, so I added a little bit of a red MAC blush. And back to the hair and the final step, I'm adding some hairspray from OGX and then a glittery hairspray from IGK, and this is the final look. Thank you guys for sticking with me. So sorry this video went up so late, but it's here, it's on the 4th, and I love it. Hope you do too.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This look is inspired by the super amazing, talented Rocio. I think that's how you say her name. I'm so sorry if I pronounce it wrong. You guys know me, I can't pronounce shit. She always puts a little cute star in the inner corner, and I've got some really messed up inner corner eyeball things because there's like a line in there somewhere. It's not flat like most people's inner corner is, but we made it work, and you can see it in photos and up close, and it looks really cool. So thank you to her for the inspiration. If you guys try this out or do any of my looks or recreate anything of mine ever for the 4th of July or for any time of the year or day or time, month, season, please make sure to hashtag Beauty by Julia on Instagram, or just tag me, DM it to me, tag me in the photo. I want to see it. I love seeing you guys' recreations. But thank you again so much for watching. I hope that you all have a happy and safe 4th of July. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything that I post this month throughout July. It's only gonna get crazier and crazier as the month goes on and as we go into August and September and then Halloween. I know it's so far away, but it's so close. Check out all my other videos right here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!